Let's discuss exercise 4G question number 2. So this is 0, 0. This is fx graph. We need fx plus 2. Then we know this is translation by 0, 2. It means we have to shift all the y values by 2. So I'll take two coordinates, 0, 0. Another one is usually in this kind of graph we take this point is x equal 1 and y equal 2. This is 1, 2. Now I know that though x equal 1 and y equal 2 the asymptote. So then I'm going to look at accordingly. Now I want to add 2 to x values, y values. It means I need to shift this graph by 2 up. So I am adding values of 0 as it is 0 fixed. We don't touch 0. And this is going to be 1, 4. Now what is the new asymptotic? X equal 1 is still the same and y equal 4. And 0, 0 is going to be shift to 0, 2. X equal 1 is a new asymptotic and y equal 4. Now this is the new asymptote y equal 4. So curve go through like this now. This one, this is 0, 0. Now new coordinate is 0, 2. It is here now. Then curve go through like this. This is part A. I delete the graph, but if this is the first one, still I am at. So you have to write the asymptote. X equal 1 is asymptotics, and then y equal 4 is the other asymptote. Or you can write x equal 1 is the vertical asymptote and y equal 4 is the horizontal asymptote. Part B fx plus 1. It means this is a translation. So fx plus is a translation of fx with minus 1, 0. Now you can see that it will only affect the x values, not the y values. So I have my standard values 1 and 2. So I have to shift x by 1 to left. In this case, y as it is, 0 become minus 1. I shift. And this is 2 as it is, 1 becomes 0. This is still the same. If you add minus 1 to x values, 2, this is going to be 0, and this is 0, this is minus 1. So basically you need to get the understanding that you are shifting this all the curve or the system by unit 1 to left. So this is become minus 1 0, this is become 0 2. Now what is the new asymptotic? So x equals 0 is the vertical asymptote and y equal 2 is the horizontal asymptote. Now let's mark in this curve. So 1 2 becomes 0 2. So still there. Okay, now this is the new asymptote and 2 is going to be as it is, and 0 0 become minus 1 0. It is here minus 1 0. Now you can draw the graph. I marked the minus 1 0 in the wrong place. This is x-axis, minus 1 0 is here, so this is going to be like this. This was the standard graph, x-axis, y-axis, and this is the standard graph, x equal 1 and y equal 2 asymptotic. Still the vertical horizontal axis, it's going to be the same, but the vertical one, x equal 1 shift to x equal 0 and overlap with y-axis. Now y and the asymptote is both 0. This is x equals 0 line and y-axis. Now it's both overlap. Now part C is 2fx. Now this is a stretch of fx with a scalar factor to vertically in y direction. Now I have 2.00 and 1 2. This is going to be effect to, since it is outside x, it's going to affect to only y. It's not within the bracket. It's not something related to x. This is something related to y. So x is fixed. I don't touch that one. So y has to be multiplied by 2. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Now this one, 2 times 2 is 4. Now what is the new asymptote? X equal is going to be same, x equal 1 and y equal 4. X equal 1 and y equal 4. So x equal 1 is going to be the same. Now I have a new asymptote, y equal 4. This is y equal 4 line new asymptotic, and still graph go through 0 0. So something like that, and the other one is going to be like this. Also you will see that the y values is going to be increased, all the y values multiply by 2. Because of that, 2 times 2 become 4. Now this is the new horizontal asymptote, but vertical asymptote going to be the same. I think I have to rework this one because y equal 1, it is still the same. So this is the curve. I can't cross x equal 1. Part D is fx minus 2. Now this is again a translation with 0 and minus 2. We have to pull down whole system by 2 units. It means it will not going to affect to x equal 1. And y equal 2 line become uh, y equal 0. The new asymptotic will be y equal uh, 0 line, which is x-axis, and this point is going to be down. So I will do, so y value is going, y equal to going to be this one now. Bring system down by 2. Now new asymptotic is y equal 0. And x equal 1 is going to be as it is. We don't touch that. Now this 0, 0 point is going to be 0 minus 2. Now curve goes like this. And this one go like this. This point is 1, 2. By looking at this, you can work out. Consider one point is 0, 0. Another one is x equal 1 and y equal 2. I write in this form. So those are the asymptote we know now. So we don't touch x. We only adjustment do for y. So this is going to be, if I add, this is going to be minus 2. This is the new point. X equal 1 as it is going to be, when I add to 2, 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. Y equal 0. Or best way of adding it is, this is 0, 0, then I will rework this one. 0, 0 minus 2. And x equal 1, y equal 2 minus 2. So 0, this is going to be minus 2, and this is x equal 1 and y equal 0. So y equal 0 is the new asymptote, and x equal 1 is the vertical asymptote. Y equal 0 is the horizontal asymptote. Let's discuss E part E, that is f2x. This is fx. Now this is going to be a stretch. With a scalar factor half. It is x, then it is horizontally. Now I'll take 1.00. I'll take another point 1, 2. I know this is x equal 1 is 1 asymptotic, x equal 1 and y equal 2 is the horizontal, this is the vertical. Now I want to multiply by x value by half or divide by 2. Both same. So 0 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 2 and y value is fixed. Y value is fixed. Now what is the new asymptotic? X equal half is the vertical asymptotic and y equal to is the horizontal asymptotic. Horizontal asymptotic is still the same. Now this point is become 0, 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. So still 0, 0. So this point is still the same. Y equal to is still the same. Only change in x equal 1 become x equal half. So now new asymptotic is x equal half, vertical asymptotic. Now this is the graph and this is the point. 1, 2 become now half a 2. 1, 2 become now what? Half a 2. This is half a 2 point. This is part F. F equal half x. Half x. Now you know that this is going to affect to x values, not y values, whatever. All the x values, not y values. And you have to divide all the x values by half or multiply by scale factor 2. Both same. Assume you have a x value 1. Okay, let's say this is 1, 2, x value is 1. So then you have to divide. The new one is 1 divided by half. Then 1 divided by half mean 2. 2, 2. Or the same idea you will get that multiply by scalar factor 2. Multiply by scalar factor. Scalar factor 2. Which one? X values. If we have 1, 2, so you have to multiply by x value 1 times 2. Y is fixed. So this is 2, 2 basically. So this is a stretch with scalar factor 2. It means you have to, this is 0, 0, another point 1, 2. You have to multiply by x value by 2. Y is still fixed. Y is fixed. And this x value by 2. But I always keep in differently. I will show you that one. Still the same answers. This is fixed already. Y value 0 divide by half. Whatever the value I divide. 0 divide by half, which is 0. And 1 divide by half. 1 divide by half become 2. So then I don't need to think about the scalar factor. I always, whatever the number, I used to divide. So this is going to be a 0. I'll rewrite this one. This is going to be 0 0, and this answer is going to be 2, 2. 0, 0 going to be as it is. Now I took 1, 2 as what? Those are the two asymptotic, x equal 1 and y equal 2. Now new asymptote is x equal 2 and x equal 2 and y equal 2. X equal 2 is the vertical asymptote and y equal 2 is the horizontal asymptote. 0, 0 going to be as it is. Now x equal, this is x equal to new asymptote, and yes, this is the existing asymptote. So this is going to be something like this, and this is going to be something like this. Let's discuss part G. Now we know that this is going to affect to f y values. So we know that this is a stretch with scalar factor half. So we want to multiply by y values by half. Now I can see, okay, this is y equal to, when you multiply by 2 by half, it become 1. So new asymptotic is, this is y value, y equal to, when you multiply by half, this is become 1. So new asymptotic is 1. New horizontal asymptotic is y equal 1. It will not affect to x values. So x1 is as it is. Then let's take 0, 0. 0, 0. 0 times half is 0. Then definitely this point is a point on the graph. And this is x equal 1 is still the same asymptotic. So then the graph is going to be like this. Those are the new asymptotics. We can select the x equal 1 is the vertical asymptotic, y equal to is the horizontal asymptotic, and so it'll only affect to y values. Then the new one, x equal 1 and y equal 2 times half. 2 times half is 1. Then new asymptotes are x equal 1 is the vertical asymptote and y equal 1 is the horizontal asymptote. If you want to think about other point is 0, 0, then 0, other one is 0 times half, still 0, 0 and 0. 0 times half is 0. That point stay the same. Now let's discuss h. Also I can write minus 1 times fx, like 2fx minus 1 times fx. It means this will affect to not the x values and y values. Also we know that this is a reflection of x-axis. First of all, we deal with the asymptotes. So we know that our normal standard is this will only affect to y values. When I take 1 and 2, 1 is x value, so 2 is the only y value. Then 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2. Now x equal 1 and y equal 2 is the asymptotic of fx. Now minus fx at asymptote will be x equal 1 and y equal 2 multiplied by minus 1, which is y equal minus 2. Now y equal minus 2 is the new asymptote. And x equal 1 is as it is. Now we'll use this x-axis as a mirror and see what is happening now. If this is the mirror, this part is going to be like this. This is the part is going to be like this. What will happen this part? This part is going to be like this. Now we complete the curve on this side now. Fine. Now this one. This is the curve. Then from this length it is going to be here. This point is here. This point is here. This point is here. This point is here. This point. It means it's going to be something like this. Now you can write x equal 1 is the vertical asymptote and y equal minus 2 is the horizontal asymptote. Reflection of fx in the x-axis. That's all.